What happens if you stop drinking water? A human being can survive for weeks without food, but without water, the reality is far more brutal. Around 60% of the human body is made up of water, and this simple substance is involved in almost every critical function that keeps you alive. Every breath you take, every step you make, every thought you process. Water is there, quietly doing its job. It keeps your blood flowing smoothly, your cells functioning properly, your body temperature stable, and your system clean by flushing out toxins. So when you stop drinking water, what really happens is not immediate collapse, but a slow, silent breakdown happening deep inside your body. Within just a few hours of not drinking water, your body begins to send warning signals. You start to feel thirsty. This is your body's built-in alarm system kicking in. Your mouth becomes dry, your lips may begin to crack, and you might start feeling unusually tired. As the first 24 hours pass, these symptoms become more noticeable. Headaches begin to develop, your focus starts to fade, and your body feels heavier than usual. At this stage, your body switches into survival mode. Your kidneys begin conserving as much water as possible, reducing urine output. What little urine you do produce becomes darker in color. Your body is trying to hold on to every last drop, because it knows no new supply is coming in. Between 1 to 3 days, the situation becomes significantly more serious. This is when dehydration truly sets in. Your body's cells begin to lose water, and as a result, they can no longer function efficiently. You may experience dizziness, weakness, and confusion. Your ability to think clearly declines, decision-making becomes harder, and your behavior may start to change. At the same time, your body struggles to regulate its temperature, making you more vulnerable to overheating or even heat stroke. As blood volume decreases, your heart is forced to work harder and faster to keep circulation going, increasing your heart rate and putting additional stress on your system. By the 3rd to 5th day, the condition turns critical. Your kidneys begin to fail due to the lack of water needed to filter waste from your blood. Toxins start building up inside your body. Your blood thickens, and your blood pressure can drop to dangerously low levels. This can lead to a condition known as shock, where vital organs no longer receive enough oxygen to function properly. At this stage, a person may become severely disoriented, lose awareness of their surroundings, and may even lose consciousness. Your body is now in a desperate fight for survival, but its energy reserves are running out fast. Eventually, the final stage sets in. In most cases, a person cannot survive more than 3 to 7 days without water, although this can vary depending on environmental conditions, body health, and physical activity levels. In extremely hot climates, this time frame can be even shorter. One by one, vital organs such as the kidneys, heart, and brain begin to shut down. The body can no longer sustain itself and death follows. But this process is not just physical, it also deeply affects the mind. Severe dehydration can lead to confusion, hallucinations, and an inability to distinguish reality from illusion. A person may act in ways that are completely out of character. This highlights an important truth. Water is not just essential for your body. It is essential for your mind as well. We drink water every day, often without giving it a second thought. But the truth is, something as simple as a glass of water is constantly working behind the scenes, keeping your body balanced, your mind sharp, and your life going. Life without water is not just difficult, it is impossible. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember this. That simple act is fueling thousands of processes inside your body, giving you energy, clarity, and most importantly, keeping you alive.